Hi there, my beautiful Leo friends. Welcome to M. Duran 888 channel. I'm gonna do your year 2025 reading. It is timeless and a general reading, so it will not resonate to all Leos. Just take all the positive messages and energy that will resonate in your situation and leave the rest behind. So if you will like this reading, please don't forget to comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Love and light. Namaste. Let's start. Thank you. Okay. My spirit guides. For the messages for our dear Leo friends for the year 2025. Spirit guides. What are your messages for our dear Leo friends for the year 2025? My spirit guides. What are your messages for our dear Leo friends for year 2025? Okay. For the first quarter, second quarter of the year, third quarter, and fourth quarter of the year. Information. Tarot message for you, my dear Leo friends, for the year 2025. I have a heavy feeling here that for some of you, you lost someone who is dear to you. It's a family member, a pet, a friend. Let's see. Um, for some of you, you are happy, showing to the people that you are happy because, tell you the truth, my dear Leo friends, you are magnetic to in attracting abundance and prosperity in your life. Yes, but the problem in here for some of you is dealing with negative or dirty money because you wanted to earn more, because you are too clever, and you are tempted to do something that is against the will of God. Cheating, stealing, betraying just to get more money. Just more, yeah. Yes, you receive that, um, let's say, financial gain. But for some of you, God is showing you that you did something bad. And it's losing a pet who is dear to you, someone who is dear to you, a sibling, a family member, even a nephew or a niece. Yeah, a child who is suffering from something very about suffering from a brain injury or brain disease, um, and you know that it's the karma, and that God wanted to show it to you, and you feel, you know it, that it's the karma that is really starting to hit you now. Yeah, because of, for some of you only, those who relate this situation that I am dealing with. If only that you will not deal with a dirty play just to get more money. So, remember, my dear ally friends, that you're a lion. You are magnetic, naturally magnetic. If you will work into it in a good way with pure intention, you will be successful and prosperous without dealing with dirty play, dirty games. Yeah, be contented, be happy of what God gave to you, what the universe gave to you. Do not do extra um, just to do a temptation from evilness. No, just to get yes. You know that it's an evilness act doing dirty games just to get more money. I know that, and you know that you are very good with that because you are clever enough to deal with that matter. Yes, you are enjoying the prosperity, the abundance that you got, but you're not happy deep inside, isn't it? Because you know, you feel guilty for what you did. Yes, you let others, you left them in tears. Sometimes you became arrogant. Yes, you intimidate. But I know you have a good heart. I know you have a good heart. But because if you became famous and have this fortune from a dirty game, from a dirty money, it moved you into a wicked person. Yes. And it is now, yes, you are showing to others with a smile. But for those who knows, who can see your deep inner, like me, I can see your smile is fake. I can see, I can feel it, that deep inside you are, you have burden. Yeah? So karma is hitting you, okay? And it will be throughout your life, especially if too many people been in tears because of your wickedness. Okay? So if I were you, do something good, and um um and I think for some of you are, because of that, you are suffering from depression, and I think you must seek a psychologist, or you know, who can make your mental stability return into a, you know, to become stable again, because you are crying, you are in tears when you're alone, but when you are surrounded by people, by a crowd, you're smiling. But for those, as I've said, for those who can see the inner, your inner self, and you can feel what is really the real feelings you've got inside of you, you know. Um, okay, let's continue, my dear. That's what I really felt while I was shuffling the cards. I really don't know what's going on throughout the world because of the evilness of the money. I'm not saying the money is evil, but it's how you use it. It's how you gain it. It's how you deal with it. Yeah. Let's see. See, discontentment, boredom, because you get what you want, the material wealth, but you can feel the sadness within you because of that guiltness, of that guilt. That's for some of you who, okay, who is related to this situation. Okay, animal spirit, that's a message for you, my dear friends. You have an infinite path in here, but it's just that you let the evilness for some of you be involved in your life path. I think you better, for those who are relating what I was saying is, you better, let's see, spiritual war. Oh, sorry. I am open to divine inspiration. Okay, my dear friends, this, let's start your life journey for the year 2025. I'll give you in here your overall message from the universe. Okay, for the year 2025. Sorry, like everything wanted to jump out. Uh, right, let's see. Stay present. That's where life happens. Stay present. That's where life happens. So think about it, my dear lay friends. Let's see. For those who believe the power or the magical effect of the crystal, okay. If I'll give you a crystal that is best to bring with you wherever you go. You can put it in your pocket or in your bag or buy a necklace with that crystal with a stone that I am going to give you, or a ring with that stone, or you can put a crystal in um in your bedside table or in the living room. Okay, let's hear. Pearl. Wow, I love pearl. Pearl, transformation and self-knowledge. I This one suits for you, my dear Leo friends. pearl. It says appearance. Pearls are most often round but can also be seed-like, irregular or pear-shaped. They range in color from white to lavender to green, but all hues are delicate and elusive with a luminescent sheen. Pearls are associated with the month of June and the astrological sign of Cancer, especially lucky when worn on a Monday. Uses associated with the moon and the sea, the pearl is symbolic of deep emotions and feminine power. It inspires healing, encourages emotional and spiritual transformation, and is a powerful talisman for inspiring self knowledge. Yeah, that's a beautiful pearl. I have a pearl. Okay, let's see. The first, um, the first quarter of the year, January, February, March, you got here, five of clubs, meaning you will be meeting new friends, alliances, okay? Um, you will be meeting group of friends. You know that Leo individual is love to mingle with the crowd, with a group of people, with group of friends. Okay, for those who are single, the one that you are going to meet new people, you or there is a new love interest in here or new marriage that is going to happen. Okay, for those who are looking for someone, then you will find that in first quarter of the year. Okay, Jack of Diamonds. Um, Someone in here, this is like what they called a like this a person is connected to you. This this person is quite jealous to you and will give you a negative news, but relatively minor. It's just only a pleasant trouble for the in the month of January, February, March. So don't take it serious, okay? This person will just give you a like for you to think about, like, to be problematic. Let's see, but that is just only a relatively minor negative news, okay? Four of Swords, your tarot message in here is rest. You've been advised in here to rest. It's a no card associated with Libra energy and aligned to Jupiter, which is dealing with expansion and transformation, no, expansion and prosperity, and aligned to throat chakra. Leo individual are a good communicator. You are very good with that. And you have ego. Your ego is really high. You are an ambitious individual, yeah? Hard worker. And it says in here, oh, you have fear for some of you. I don't know what is it. And for some of you are suffering from anxiety and depression. That's what I was telling earlier on, isn't it? Because of stress as well. You do all hard work in here. You overwork yourself, feeling overwhelmed because of what you are getting. You are financially abundant. Yeah. Yeah. But with that, especially for you are financially abundant, enjoying the material wealth given to you, but from an dirty money or from an evilness. Let's say you did a dirty game just to get more money, or you're with someone who is dealing with the dirty games just to get money, but you know deep inside that it's not right. But because you are an ambitious individual, then you know yes, I can see it in here really. Yes, your fame and fortune. Yeah, you're enjoying the material world. But deep inside, when you are on your own, tears coming from your eyes. Yeah, you are feeling overwhelmed, but something is missing, you know? Mental overload, needing solitude, needing rest and relaxation. Okay, so for some of you, you will be hospitalized because of stress related of anxiety. So please look after yourself because I can feel it in here. For some of you are having consistent chest pain. So be careful, be extra careful because money is nothing if you're already ill. Okay, if you cannot enjoy it already. So please look after yourself. Okay. Seek a medical advice if it's already, especially if it's already radiating into your, if it's from the left chest, radiating to your shoulder, going here to your back, upper back. Okay, please, do not be carried away with temptations. You know, it's just only a temporary happiness, but not a really a real happiness. Okay. Four of water. This is your angel, a spirit guide's message. Missing an opportunity. Discontentment, discontentment or boredom. Open your eyes to the possibilities. Okay, for those who are, yes, you missed an opportunity. Try to open your eyes again for a possibilities of incoming opportunities because as I have said, you are magnetic. You are definitely magnetic. You have this infinite path of being magnetic to attract abundance, prosperity, material wealth into your life. But do it in a good way. Have it in a good way. Have it with pure intention and clean money. Yes, you will become rich, my dear Leo. Don't mix it with dirty games. Yeah? But what's going on now all over the world? The evilness is really strong. That's why I am here. I have started this to give insights, guidance to those who are watching my videos. Okay, because I strongly and I even dream of it's it's I don't know if you will believe, but I really dream of them from the skies, from the sky, people with I mean the evil going into the house. You know, it's really it was 2016, but still it is still in my mind. Yeah, and now it's happening all over the world. People are tempted, people are possessed with these evil spirits. And all in my dream, I thought it there are fireflies because it was daytime and it became very dark because of when I look up too many of them and I thought it was fireflies. And when they didn't see me. I it was me who've seen them. It's nobody will believe, but I am just relaying this. So if with this your animal spirit message is Dachshund dog. I can't pronounce it. Dachshund, so cute. Two of winter. Procrastination and worrying what others will think is blocking you from making a decision. If you are torn between your own desires and someone else, Follow your inner guidance. That is the beautiful message for you, my dearly friends. Okay, think about it and feel it. In here, your message from the universe for those who are seeking about their job, career, and business, you are moving up in here. For those who miss those opportunities, okay, and open their eyes for possible opportunities that is coming again, because it will be presented to you. I can feel it in here that there's a lot of positive opportunities that will be presented to you. Business is growing in here. Yeah, it says in here moving up. You are increasing your power and status. You may get a promotion or move to a better home or office. You climb the ladder of success. That's what I was telling earlier on, isn't it? You have an infinite path of material wealth, prosperity, and abundance. But see to it that it will not be ruined or tempted or be stained by evilness. Then temptation, right? Avoid temptations, money matters, because karma is real, as I've said. If it will not happen to you, it will happen to your dear ones first, for you to see, for you to feel. Yeah? And in the end, it's you who will suffer. Regret is always in the end, isn't it? Um, there's a major shift that is going to happen. May you be ready for those, for some of you, okay? And there's travel in here, either business travel or travel to unwind for those who are suffering from stress, mental illness, mental instability, anxiety, or depression. To unwind yourself, okay? Or to for those who are overwhelmed, um, receiving material wealth. There's a travel in here to celebrate as well, for the achievements and accomplishments that you receive. That's for to some of you. Love is on the air, okay, for those who are single or who are not yet committed, or for those who are committed already, happily married. If there is, yeah, because as I've said, you are don't take a risk of being tempted to a third party situation. Most of the Leos are gorgeous, attractive, smart. Yeah. So, of course, too many will be attracted to you, will adore you, will tempt you. But I said, try to avoid to step back. Okay. Self discipline, self control is needed in here. Um, for there is a message of love oracle deck for the first quarter of the year, January, February, March. There is hope in here. I haven't given up on us yet. Yeah, for those who are having a a rocky relationship with your behalf or with your loved one, then you're still hoping that it will be patch up. Okay, so for those who are seeking a yes or no answer, it's a yes. Sunny outlook, blossom, open to divine inspiration. Divine inspiration. Okay, for the second quarter of the year, see, card of wealth and prosperity, my dear Leo friends. Ace of clubs, business success, more money. Okay, there is a unexpected gain of money in here. Okay, however, if you will not take care of that money, it will disappear as quickly as it appears. So be smart, be wise in spending that money. Okay, that's what it says in here. And also, this card is saying to please pay attention to your health concerns. Do not ignore it, no matter how busy you are. Yeah, remember that I can feel it in here that most of you, well, for some of you, are having this chest problem, chest pain, shortness of breath due to stress. Yeah, please don't ignore that. And also, I can feel it in here that for some of you are having this feeling of numbness to the arm and legs. So pay attention to that. If that will appear consistently, that is already a warning that you must seek a medical advice for that. Okay? What's the cause of that numbness and tingling sensation that you are having in your upper limbs, your arms, and in your legs? Yes. Um, you need to take a rest in here. So, in here, for those, this is six of spade. For some of you who are experiencing a slow um, progress, development changes in your life, be patient. Be patient because it will really um, arrive into your life. You will really get what you want. Be patient and have faith and believe in yourself that you will get it. Okay. The tarot message for you for the second quarter of the year is Four of Pentacles, budgeting. See how it was related? Budgeting. So that the money that you will get will not disappear as it quickly as it appears into you in front of you. It says in here it's a yes card associated with Capricorn energy and aligned to the sun, which is communication. I mean, conscious and ego. You are consciously aware and you have that ego that you're really destined for greatness. But do not be arrogant. Do not make, do not intimidate other people. Do not hurt others' feelings. Be more, be kind, be more thoughtful. Share your blessings to the needy. Okay. It says in here, it's aligned to throat chakra. It says in here, holding on to people, possessions, issues, deep seated past issues. Um, Possessiveness. You have financial stability in here and financial security. But there is greediness in here. This is what I have said. Avoid being greedy. Dealing with dirty games just to get money. That is a form of greediness. Okay. Your angel message is spirit guides message is 17, the star. It's Archangel Jophiel. Happy times. Make positive, optimistic, long-term plans. You are on the right path. Yes. Your animal spirit guide message is sea turtle. Oh, tree of spring. Stop to take time to review and make long-term plans. Capitalizing upon your past successes. It's appropriate to pat yourself on the back for all your accomplishments, but you may also need patience for the next phase to play out. Wow. So meaning there's more coming into you, my dear Leo friends. Your message from the universe for your career, for those who are seeking advice. I mean, a message from the universe for their career, job, and what is this? Business is strategy. You need a step by step plan of attack to reach the next level. Get the advice of someone who is already where you want to go. Yes, deal with those people who have the same mind, same, you know, let's say with same path in you. Your bosses, ask an advice from them. Okay. Your message of love oracle deck, shadow sign. You made me realize my flaws. That's beautiful. At least you now realize your flaws. And for those who are seeking a yes or no advice, I mean, answer to their question, it says in here, yes, getting it together, it's all lined up for you. So it's a divine right time for those who are questioning themselves. Am I, is it right time for me to do this, to start a new project, to start a new business, or to apply for promotion, or to buy a house, or buy a car? Yes, it's time for you. It's all lined up for you and you will get it. Definitely. Okay, that's for some of you. Okay, for your third, for the third quarter of the year, your six of this is six of gloves. It says in here for those who are planning to open up a business or to start for a new project, or for those who are planning to build a house or buy a car or buy a new pet, but you have no enough budget. Okay, and just express your concern. Oh, dad, for example, dad, I want to buy a pet, I want to buy something, but my budget in here is not enough to buy that one. Can you please help me? Yes, it is in here that someone is going to help you financially to make that business or to get that what you want, to make that business success or the project success. Yeah, so this there is the confirmation in here, three of diamonds. All right, it says in here for some of you, you will be dealing legal issues. Okay, it came into my mind now that for those who dealt with dirty games just to get the greediness, cheating, stealing, betraying people, you know, just to get more money, just to gain prosperity. Now, for some of you, will be dealing a legal battle. It says in here, legal issues. Okay, three of diamonds. This is money, the diamonds, and three is a third party who will file a case against you. Okay, and for some of you, it says in here, be tactful to others in order to avoid disputes. As I have said earlier on, do not be arrogant, do not intimidate others. Uh, so if you are a boss, be tactful. Okay, watch your words. Okay, in order to avoid disputes. Your tarot message in here is Five of Cups. As I've said, loss. What I have said before, there was a heavy feeling I was having while I was shopping because I can feel there's a loss. In here, Five of Cups, loss. Okay, it's a no card associated with Scorpio energy. I'm a Scorpio. Okay, and aligned to Mars, planet Mars, which is action. and energy and aligned to throat chakra. It says in here, there is sadness for some of you that you are feeling sad. There is sadness in here. There is a loss, grief, despair, abandonment, guilt, regret, trauma, mourning, heartbreak, unwelcome change, focusing on negative emotions, isolation, and loneliness. As I've said, please be strong, my dear Leo friends, okay? Um, all I can advise in here is do not be carried away with that emotion, negative emotions. If you have done something wrong, then we are all human. Nobody's perfect. We all make mistakes, isn't it? So with that, if you feel like you are feeling guilty, then do something to patch it up. Okay? So do not be carried away with your negative emotions. Seek an advice from psychologist, counselor, for those who are counseling, or if you're taking something, if you're taking an antipsychotic drugs, then seek, I mean, see your psychiatrist just to review you what you're taking. Okay. Five of water. This is your angel spirit guides message. Things not turning out the way you had hoped. Not seeing the positive in the situation, crying over spilled milk. Oh, it's yes, it's aligned in the third quarter of the year 2025. Okay, but if that thing is not turning out the way you had hoped, then that is not for you. Yeah, or maybe it's not yet the divine right time to do that. Just think about it. Be optimistic. Okay, do not be carried away. It's not the end of the world. Your animal spirit guides in here is Pen of Winter, Siberian Husky Dog. Beautiful. The end of a career path, project, or relationship brings feelings of mixed joy and sadness, relief and disappointment. Okay. Put aside your fears about these changes and trust that a brighter future awaits. That is really right. So if you lose the job or that project, remember that there is always a reason behind that. But if you feel like this and you never done anything wrong, but you lose your job, you've done everything, but you still lost your job, meaning that job is not for you. There is a better job for you that is waiting, that is to be presented. Yeah. So meaning that's why God take you out from that job so that God will put you into a new job that you will prosper. Okay. For the message from the universe for the career, job and business, it's on the table. Time to put your demands on the table and get serious about what you want. Ask for a raise, a promotion, or a step up. Yeah? For those who really wanted for a leadership role or wanted to be on a higher position, then speak up. Ask for a promotion or a raise. Then you will get it because you are a good communicator, my dear friends. Your message of love oracle deck is commitment. Wow. For some of you will get engaged, get married. Okay. I want you to be a part of my future. So, wow. That's beautiful. And for those who are seeking a yes or no answer to their question, it's a yes. Your dreams take flight, fluttering around, busy. Okay, you will become more busy. As I've said, For those who lost job, do not give up because, as I've said, layers, most of the layers are destined for greatness. Okay, your fourth quarter, October, November, December, as I've said, seven of spade. There's a loss in here again, a loss of a friend, a friendship, a dear ones, siblings, family members, a pet, loss of a job, financial loss, loss of home or car. It says in here, that's why yes, that's why with this you feel like emotionally unstable, depressed, there's an anxiety, and these feelings of negativity obstructed your um you are obstructing your path to receive abundance, prosperity, positive opportunities that is coming into you. Yeah. So with that, I know it's hard, but I think in here you need to rest. I think spend time with nature. And again, I think do something. I think be involved in a spiritual activity because I knew most of the layers are spiritual warrior. Okay, so with that, I can advise is be engaged in spiritual activity to enlighten your mind, heart, and soul. Okay, the tarot card, your tarot message in here is temperance, number 14. That's my luckiest number 14. It is a yes card associated with Sagittarius energy, aligned to Jupiter expansion and prosperity, and aligned to solar plexus chakra. With that, if you will do what I advise to you to spend in nature, go to the seaside, do a Reiki healing, yoga, um, you know, stay in a park, um, meditation, relaxation, contemplation, and there you will have a peaceful mind. Okay, so there will be an inner calm in here. Okay, it says in here that with that you will start your healing period for those who are dealing with trouble at the moment in their life. Okay, so your animal spirit, your angel spirit guides message is Son of Earth. It says in here, a very happy family life for those who are happy life for those who are not letting themselves tempted into a flirtation. Um, as I've said, if you will not deal with temptation, flirtatious, dirty games, you will be very happy of what you're getting. You will be very contented. You're going to have a wealthy life with a happy family life, my dear Leo friends. Okay, a very happy family life, financial security, finding magic in the little things in life. See, such a beautiful message for you. Again, your animal spirit guides message is in here 13. Release the negativity, release the burden. Yeah, Peacock, it's time to release the past and move on to something new. This ending is the first step on the way to a happy future. That is very right. Now, your message from the universe regarding your career, job, or business, it says in here spiritual work. Yeah. I have told you before, engage with spiritual activities, isn't it? Doing some inner work can help you get clear before you move on. You will get insights into what work will best serve your needs. That is really right. Message of Love Oracle Deck. Ego. Hmm. I let my pride get in the way of our connection. Yes, I let your pride in the way. I let my pride get in the way of our connection. That is really but I that but most of the um I can see it in here that most of the Leo friends are happy with their love life, romantic life. Again, it's a yes card. Wow, four yeses in here. The whole year of 2025. If you have one question, you will get it. Yes, walk before you run. Fresh outlook, baby steps. Walk before you run. Slowly but surely. Okay, my dear Leo friends, smile in there. Do not let yourself be affected with these negative emotions if you are the one having this negative emotion. Okay, it's not the end of the life. Okay, anyway, thank you so much. If you like this reading, please don't forget to comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Good luck on your life journey. Thank you. Love and light. Namaste. Where is it? Thank